I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today I'm unboxing custom speaker pods. We're gonna go ahead and get into this. Of course, y'all know use the link BASSWITHKEV to save on your custom speaker pod orders. I'm gonna have it on the screen the whole video. So be sure to check out customspeakerpods.com and use the code BASSWITHKEV to save. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So, we might have some new finishes. We're gonna have some new finishes in this box right here. Yeah, there are more to choose from. So, that way, you know, if y'all want to go on there and check those out, I'm gonna have all the links down below. Of course, I'm gonna do that. You can get these in different stuff. Let's get this out the way. Of course, you got your custom speaker pod stickers or whatnot. Okay, let me get my information out the way. Put that over to the side. You got your custom speaker pod stickers right here. Y'all know you gotta put them on. You gotta put them on now. You gotta put on. All right. Let me get that out the way. I think they may have the shirts and stuff on the site as well. Okay. The blankets right there. You want to get yourself together, man. Got the custom speaker pod. We're gonna, hopefully y'all can see this. Got the nice lanyards right there. I wear lanyards every day. I keep my keys on them, so I'm gonna put my decals on my trucks. And we're gonna, you know, really represent, man, for the good product we got over there. Of course, they got the nice, I think this may be the new hardware that they have. As y'all can see right there, the nice, I guess it's like a stainless steel, bolts and screws or whatnot. Like the hex keys. Real nice, real nice. So you definitely want to get that right there. That'll really set that your build off so it won't, you don't want to be looking basic. So you want to go ahead and get those doors right with this right here. So y'all definitely want to try that out. Y'all want to make that selection on when you pick them out. You can pick out the different finish. Of course, they got the black ones right here. So you can get black or silver. Either way. That's the option that you have. There may be other options on the site. I'm not for sure. Not 100% sure. I can't remember. There's so much on there. I can't remember. So you're going to have to really get over there and check it out for yourself. All right. Move that. I'll tell y'all what. I'm gonna move the box over to the side. That way we can see. Y'all excuse the table because it's a little dusty. Because they got this stuff wrapped up well. I want y'all to see how well they got this stuff wrapped up. So I'm gonna take the paper out and leave it like that. Alright. I got it packaged real well. Nice crush proof box. Look at that. And what they say, would you look at that? Look at that. Ain't that what they say? Look at that. Look at the finish on that. Y'all know I don't cut on my factory doors for nothing. But for this one right here, I'm gonna do it. I really don't. I said I wasn't gonna ever do it. I'm cutting them factory doors, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for the video. We're gonna put this on there with the nice hardware. Nice hardware. Y'all gotta feel it. You know, that's a nice finish right there. Y'all know we're gonna try to put some B-roll in there too. In the video, look at it. It ain't no joke. Well, I ain't gonna take too long. I'll just keep on showing y'all this because it looks so nice to me. Let me see. Alright. You know they come in the set. Just like so. Look at that. That's the other one. Look at that. And they fit it right around that door. You know, that around that lip on the door you got. And, you know, see, I got a Suburban, so that's what this going on. I'm gonna set that down. Alright. We got two of them. Right there, we got those. So, tell you what, we're just gonna unbox the front doors in this video. Of course, y'all know I got the back doors as well. So we're gonna do the unboxing on the front doors. Then we're gonna get to the pods, and not the pods, but the grills and things of that nature. We're gonna do all of that. We're gonna make it look real good. We ain't gonna play around. We're gonna get over there to custom speaker pods and use BASSWITHKEV.com. No, not BASSWITHKEV.com. Sorry about that. BASSWITHKEV. Y'all already at BASSWITHKEV.com and you watching this video. So use code BASSWITHKEV. Get over there. Don't wait on it. Right there. That's where you go to. Custom speaker pods. You want to get them right over there. Get you some of this nice hardware right here. Like I said, I don't cut my doors for nothing. But these they gonna get cut, y'all. We're gonna make a video. We're gonna really do it. So, and they gonna look good too. So we ain't finished yet. So y'all be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. We gonna unbox the rear speakers, the rear door pods. So y'all gonna see what we got for those. So y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, go over there to customspeakerpods.com. Use code BASSWITHKEV. Save you some money, because you need to save some money. Because you need to get loud, man. You know, because I'm getting them demos and y'all, I can't hear them words. Now sometimes our words be real loud. But hey, you want to be able to hear when you're going down the road. You know, we ain't worried about for my video. We worry about what you want to hear, make it look good and sound good all at once. You know, you want to get this custom finish right here. And that's not the only custom finish that they got. So you definitely want to go over there and check out all the custom finishes. Even if you don't make a purchase today, be sure to put it on your bookmarks or whatever. That way you can get back over there and see it. Because I mean, I ain't never seen this. Well, I seen it at a show. At Sundown show, the finishes they had. I didn't even know they had them. Maybe you didn't either, but definitely, you know, get over there and check it out, man. CustomSpeakerPods.com. Use code BASSWITHKEV to save. I'm gonna be sure to, you know, show y'all some more pictures of this stuff right here, man. I'm gonna let y'all get a little up close and personal. Look at that. Would you look at that? That's what they say on the video. I think that's what it is. All right, see y'all back on the next one, man.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, y'all appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.